going on, everybody? Another rainy day in Arizona, out in the East Valley. Rare we get our rain, and we love it. I love it, at least. I don't know how many other people. I'll flip it around here in a little bit and let you guys enjoy the sounds. Oh, what's the matter? My wife didn't want to be on the video today. Check out this beautiful rain. Just a nice steady rain too. I'll zoom in, we got a little bit of a gully flowing there. And my grandpa's bear. He's doing all right. He's loving it. Yes, sir. Bird bath getting natural water filled into it this time. All looking good. Happy Jeff, Prucknick Adventures. Click on our channels, like and subscribe, please, for more. Next week, we're going to do the first thing ever with our daughter. We're going to take her up north to Williams, Arizona, and we're going to go hunt for a live Christmas tree and bring it home. The National Forest, they gave out the permits. She's a 4th grader this year. It's get your 4th graders out there into the outdoors and everything. And so we're looking real forward to that. That's going to be a Friday, Saturday, come home Sunday. So we're going to share that with you all. So stay tuned. Like and subscribe. You'll hit that notification button and you'll know when we post that. Y'all have a good day.